What do you think is the biggest mistake a lot of people make on their portfolio website? In fact, a lot of their social media marketing as well. What do you think? Go and stick it in the comments. Of course, you don't really have to because I'm going to tell you now. The biggest mistake they make is telling people, the world, strangers, who they are. So I'm going to create a website and right at the top in my hero banner, I'm going to say, I am Imran. I am a web designer. I have been building websites for nearly 20 years. I live in Leicestershire, United Kingdom. Who cares? Who cares who I am? Unless you are famous and you can attract people on just the basis of your face and your name, no one gives two supernova starships. You thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? Rather than boring the audience with who you are, because you can leave that till later, the about section further down or another page. You don't have to go into all of this is who I am. No. How about you address the problem and how you're going to solve it? And some people sometimes say, but how do I talk about a problem? If you're an architect, if you say we design or we create XYZ type of buildings, you're kind of addressing the problem and the solution. You're telling us what you do. You even got images to back it up, maybe in your hero banner. You don't have to have images, but it's not a bad idea. But address the problem, how you're going to solve it, and then very quickly tell me about how you are different. How you are unique, what makes you special, what is it about you that's going to attract me and make me go, you know what, I've got 10 other tabs open, that this is the one I want to work with, this is the company that I believe in, they just make me confident, assure me that I'm going to get what I want. So don't waste time with, hey, I'm Imran, get on with, what can I do for you? And you're going to go and check out how to start a web design business. Super course, aren't you? Hey, I'm Imran, Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.